Hello guys, today we will talk about how to use the wire parameters in the object shapes in this video. So let's get started guys. So firstly we will create two boxes of different heights like this, and then we can select one box, right click, and then we can select wire parameters, and we can select on object box height, and then the hatching line will become, and we can select the another box and same thing, object box height, and this interface will be open, and this is two-way, and after that is the one-way, and that is the one-way connection. So we can select the first one, two-way connection, and then we can click on connect, and you can see these are of the similar types. So after that we can change the height of the second object, so we can type into 2 and we can update this, and you can see guys this is changing. So we can change the height now, so you can see the difference. So you can see the difference in them. So like this we can divide it by 2, and let's update, and yeah, you can see the difference here. Yeah, you can see the difference guys. And like this we can double it up like this by 2, and let's update. Oh yeah, you can see guys what's the difference, and we can change the height now. Yeah, so that's how we can change the object heights. So let's talk about now the position of the objects. So let's close this, and again we can select the wire parameters, transform and position, and we can select X position and drag it over there, transform, position, and then X position, and we can again select this and connect. You can see this, we can drag it, the another shape will be there, and we can change the shape object by plus 30 and update this. You can see this, and we can use a minus 25 and update. Yeah, you can see the different guys, and we can change the height also. So this is the way we can use the basic wire parameters in basic building blocks, basic shapes. That's it guys, thank you so much.